Hi everyone, I'm Neeraj Narayan Chaudhary. Once again, I am back with a new function that is called uh, large function and a small function. So first, I would like to explain about the large function. Large function in Excel is being used to return the nth largest value in a dataset. For example, if you have a list of numbers in a range and you want to find the second or third largest number or second or third largest numbers, so you can use the large function. So let's learn how it works. So first select the cell where you want the result. So here we have selected the cell. This is our cell and this is our entire data. So first we have selected the cell and we want the third largest number. So its syntax is like equals to large, and now it's asking to select the array, means range. So we have selected the entire range. Now it's asking for a k value means we want like third largest. So we just simply put third and close the bracket and hit the enter and get the answer as a 89. So in this you can find the 89 is a third largest. If you want to check, you can see 99 is a first largest, and then 98 is second, and 89 is a third largest. Okay, so in this basis you can use a large function. Now move on to the small function. Now we want the result second smallest. The same syntax will remain same. Basically I would like to explain about the small function. A small function in Excel is being used to return the nth smallest value from the range of dataset. So let's see how it works. So small small, and now again select the entire range and asking for a k value. So k value would be this time 2 because we want second smallest value. So this is 28. 28 is the second smallest value in this data set. So in this basis you can use a small function and large function at your day-to-day work, at your workplace. Hope you guys enjoyed this learning, and thank you for watching this video. If like this video, please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you and happy watching. Thanks for learning.